Come on, baby, turn the other way. Turn the other way.
Dancing Rebels birthday bash. Alright, Berrydos, welcome to a brand new countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And today's trending topic, it is all about Dancing Rebels birthday party that was held at the Stadium Car Park. And people, she got a massive support. If you never think a Rebel was loved by people, now you know. Like it was fulfilled to capacity. Like she got so much support from just her well-wishers as well as people in the entertainment industry. Now, of course, this event was put on by Ramesh Entertainment. I know them manage Rebel, major marketing, and so you know the setup was going to have a certain look, and that the pool was going to definitely give what it gave on the day. Now we saw performances from her bestie Pretty. You had Iwata hosting it. You had Ding Dong there in attendance. Of course, TC was there, and many of the Jamaican TikTokers were in the building supporting her as well. And so boy, oh boy, in a Rebel, definitely it is a good look. She looked great at her birthday party. Cause you know, Rebel will give you the little different, the little type of tomboyish type of hot girl swag. Kind of like, you know, Alia. And so she definitely represented for that. And so hopefully, you know, I know that 2023 was definitely probably her biggest year, especially as a solo dancer. And so hopefully this will definitely, you know, carry into 2024. But, you know, Rebel, all the best, you know. And so I'm just going to leave you with some of the highlights from the party. Cause you know, might never did here. I don't know, just one faster go and take a look. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One Rebel.
What you want from the dolly them, the dolly them? What you want from a dolly friend? What you want from a dolly them?
Everything a rebel is a rebel that. Everything a rebel is a rebel that. Everything a rebel is a rebel that. Jump out, just hold a fresh. Cold gate off a check it back. In front of the mirror, me after the step.
You talk a minute in a girl bada. I don't know no baby but sit like Camilla. You can't manage. Hey, Rebel, you pop like Jenny, now you legal like dope. You pussy like Tom, and you beat you like. Yeah. Come on, be a bit dirty on it. Happy birthday. Play the song now. Watch them. Watch them. Come to the class stadium. Fuck on them. Look at them now. And then the one that really watch them who's in there. You know what? Let me rip. Friendship serious! Me take friendship serious! Papi! If they are your parent and one box along, you must be box for them too! Only fuck me and Papi for your parent and one box from Papi. And a party will raise your friend and now run up your bum buckler friend. Look where you're from right now until your friend say. No, I can't look like you. I'm the other side. Come on. Yeah, now I'm kidding for me. Yeah? Level free! Because no more can establish in front of you. That boy, jumping on and song them. That's to show your artist at. That's to show your artist at. People, the artist are going to perform now. Who want to play the artist them truck, the slide up? All I want to play the artist them track. Line up right now. Line up right now, and I want to play the artist them track. I want to just send across the thumb drive. See, I don't want to do like mix the artists, you know, because artists disrespectful more while, you know. But all of the artists that book tonight, they are them good. And I respect and love and unity to show them. So when I feel like I'm supposed to get a disrespect when the selector mix the rhythm then, you see? Because you know the thing, you notice my forward up here? You notice my forward up here on the microphone and give me like a problem? She knew the 1st of December.
I create so about a bit. Watch my face early for my blessing. I've been no plan for late life and teaching man from here. Yeah, and everybody now look yourself up to faith. If you have money, my mother over there says, see when I see her, you know what I say to her. Yeah, don't be my soul, better get the plan. I'ma tell her, say, fine. Send them so I just think I'm cooking on. Me have a mirror every day, I'm looking at and say success, do job and pay up with my boy. Don't see me. Every brother still I want in the States, so. Yeah. And then I know I'm a now, job a big dirty ground, and fix up down. Now, never see say, no, look. Wait. Play the song there. Watch them, come about class stadium. Fuck on them, loading down. And then the run around, watch him who's in there. What? You know what? None of them never
Hey, girl, come on. Hey, girl, come on. Hey, girl, come on. Everything around me is alright. Watch right. Hey, jump out, just wanna fresh. Go on the gate, have to check it. In front of the mirror, me yesterday. Let me just. Everybody know. Fuck up your white place, never said it yet. Everybody's alright. Hey, everybody know. I'm coming like, grab it. Hey, grab it, what's up? Sing this up.
Select